Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create fixed product bundles in your Shopify store. Product bundles are a great way to increase your average order value by offering multiple items together at a set price. To make a bundle, we just need to click on Discounts. Once we're here, we need to click Create Discount, and we will choose the Buy X Get Y option. Just click this. Buy X Get Y works like a buy 5, get 1 free bundle. For example, if a customer buys 5 items, this is how we set it up. Next, we need to set the discount. It can be either an automatic discount or a discount code. We just need to choose one. Now, let's select the minimum number of items. For example, buy 3. Then, we need to click on specific products. Once we're here, we search for the products we want to include and set the quantity for how many items the customer will get. For example, if a customer buys 3, they will get 1 free. Let's set this to free. If a customer orders 3 items, they will get 1 item free. So that's 4 items in one bundle. Once we're done, we just click Save. We can also add a discount code, like Bundle Sale, for the first products. Let's set this up. Once we are done, click Save. When we save, the bundle sale is ready. And that's how we create fixed product bundles in your Shopify store. Bundling products can help boost sales and offer more value to your customers.